Good morning, traders. This is GTC trading community whereby we are looking for the daily gold lash analysis, whereby we do some analysis to help us as a community to be able to align ourselves with the best market snapshots of the day. So we start by looking for the DXY so that we can be able to know which is the direction actually for this currency. So let me look at so this is our key zone of interest. So in the weekly time frame, in the DXY, we are bullish. That is a weekly time frame. Daily time frame, there's some selling powers that are being seen in the market, but yesterday crossed as a bullish move, of which this bullish move at the bottom here had it has already created a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So then we look at the 4-hour time frame so that we can be able to align ourselves and know the direction of the DXY. So from the daily time frame, we had a trend line that we had drawn from it. Daily time frame, we had a trend line marked by it is white in color. You can be able to see it, and then in 4-hour time frame you can be able still to see whereby the market came and it was able to trade above the trend line. So whereby that shows that the DXY is trying to reverse, and the uh, USD basket is gaining some buying momentum now. So we might wait for the market maybe to come and retrace to this zone so that we can be able to see much push on the upside. This one, since it might retrace to this one in terms of technical analysis based, it might retrace to this zone. Then we see a move on the upside. So you see this move, it might touch the trend line, then it moves up, or it might even come to this zone on the order block, then it moves up. So in this position, we have two scenarios. It might touch the trend line, then it moves up, or it might touch the order block, then the market moves up. So why do we do the analysis for the USD basket? Is because that this is an asset that shows the how the US dollar is operating in the market, and mostly probably is negatively correlated with gold. So we had seen the gold rally up, and it created an all-time high that was yesterday but one, whereby we were able to trade some positions here, and we were able to make some huge income from the market. So yesterday we were able to secure around 600 pips in the gold market daily. So we secured these 200 move pips, another one 200, and another 200. And this one is for today. This is 200 for today. So we are targeting, and still we are targeting more. So for me, I'm waiting for this market today to continue bearish. So for me, I'm waiting for the market to come and break this order block. It has already tested this order block. So for me, I'm just waiting either the market to. We have two scenarios. So the market might come this way, touches this zone, we see an upside, or it might fail to come up again, it goes down. So when it falls below this order block, you just have a look at it, then you wait for a retest. then you sell, then you sell. That's how I'm aligning myself on this. But let's look at it on the daily time frame so that you can be able to, weekly time frame, so that you can be able to understand what are the pressures in the market. So for today, we are seeing some selling pressure in the market because it is bullish still. But today we are seeing some bearish momentum in the market. You can be able to see red candles in the market. Then still in the 4 hours time frame, we can be able to see more bearish power in the market. Uh, in the 1 hour time frame, still there are some more bearish momentum in the market. So for today, we might be looking for more selling opportunities until the market can be able to come to our zones that we have been able to mark them. So these zones that we had already marked them, we are waiting for the market to come to them. So we might see something like this. You wait for a retest, but this one has already been tested, so this one is not much valid. So the much high probability zone is this one below here. That one is which the ones that or the zone that is very high probability. So then we can still have this case. In this case, here there is an order block. It has already come on the upside. In the Radan session, you wait for a retest on this zone, then you sell. Or if the market fails to go on the downside, you wait for the market to go on the upside, then you wait for a retest, then you look for buy opportunities at that zone. So the market might give us anything from today. It might give us anything. So it might go up, it might go down. So we are waiting to see how the market will react for today's key fundamentals that will be there. So for today, we shall be having key drive factors that will be driving the market. So at probably today, in terms of other assets that you can trade, we have the CHF at 10:30 a.m. We have the CHF, that is S&B monetary policy assessment, S&B policy rate, as well as S&B press conference that will be taking place at 11 a.m. So if you want to trade this asset, the best time for you to trade is 11 a.m. because the speech that will come from the chair of CHF will be able to give you the direction of the market. So for the gold, or for the USD, we have the final GDP quarterly and unemployment claims. So any figure that will on the unemployment, if the figure comes lower, like we are targeting that 3K, if it comes lower than that 3K, that is good for the currency. If it comes above that, that is worse for the currency. That will not be favoring the currency. So for the final GDP quarterly, any figure above 3.3, that is good for the currency, and any figure below 3.3, that is worse for the currency. So you might be looking, if they are all worse, you might be looking to sell gold, to buy gold. Sorry, if the figures will be favoring the USD, you might be looking to sell gold. Those that trade gold, like me. So then, from there, the next thing that we need to look at, this is our zone. If the market comes to this zone, if it comes, this is a breaker block, not another block. It was breaked but never retested. So we might be looking for buying opportunities at that zone. That is, if the market comes again to that zone, we look for buy opportunities. As well as if it fails to respect that zone, you wait for a move on the downside, a retracement, then you sell on the downside. Then, after it arrives at this point, you look for some buying opportunities, so you must wait for confirmations. If in another case it fails to respect this zone, you wait for a retest, then a continuation on the downside. You look for something like that. So then after looking on the downside, so if it breaks at this point, we shall see more bearish momentum, so that we are going to see some change of direction of the gold for a while. But let's see. But for today, we might be, for me, I'm targeting bullish gold. For today, I'm targeting bullish gold. Very, very bullish today. I'm very bullish. So even though right now it is in lead, today I'm sure that it will close at it will close with bulls signs. So we are just going to align ourselves. For me, I'm waiting for either the market to come and retrace, or if it fails and breaks above, this is not a zone that I can be able to trade. This zone is not a high probability. This is our zone. I can be able to place a buy. I can't place a buy because this order block was, I have already traded it, and it has already been violated. I have also traded this one. So for this one has already been taken. So if you're looking for this opportunity, don't look at this, because this was another block, by a breaker block, but the market retested it and it moved on the downside. So you should be looking for more, for another position, for you to be able to align yourself with more buying opportunities, because this one has already been taken. So unless you look at this one is the one that is very active, that is very high probability. So for this one, I might remove it because it has already been taken out. So that one, the one that is very active is this one. And if the price goes up on the comes on the upside, you might if it goes on the upside, you look for retracement, then look for the all-time high and something on top. You look for the 3800 levels, that is the zone that made the market 38,000 levels, and then you go, sorry, the 3800 level, then you go to maybe 3810, 3820, 3840, around there. The rally might go probably like 300 pips above this zone. So let's wait and see the reaction of the market, so that we can be able to know what to do and what not to do. So it might go in either of the direction. So any direction is your job to align yourself with it and be able to take positions. And remember, the less positions that you look, the more accurate you'll be, and the less errors that will occur in the market. So that's all about the gold analysis for today. Thank you, and remember to like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel, so that you can be able to be getting these opportunities in the future. So if you want to participate with us for trading, we shall be hosting live from the London session for 2 hours, and New York session for 2 hours. So let's stay tuned, and we shall be able to take positions together. And I'm sorry for yesterday, I didn't upload this session. I had some technical issues with my power, so I'm sorry for that. And I will be uploading this content daily, so that we can be able to be having this information with us, and we can be able to be fine tuning ourselves with the right market movement, so that we cannot be able to be fouled in the wrong side by the market. So always remember to ensure that risk management is well done, and it is well implemented to the point that is needed. So something else that you need, this is not financial advice but financial education. So we are just providing education and making the journey easier for you. So thank you, and have a peaceful day.